Hi, I am Rodney Wilmer M. Paglinawan and I am 24 years old. I graduated at Cum Sum Laude at St. Louis College with a degree of Information Technology. I can speak English, Filipino, and Ilocano. As a worker, I am hardworking, positive, and very organized. I am applying to be a new IT manager. I want to use my skill of in computers, software, and system to help your company. I already have experience of tech industry. I worked for 2 years at Ayala Corporation in Makati. And after that, I worked as an IT project lead at Magsaysay Shipping and Logistics in Cebu City. Because of this job, I learned how to handle big tech projects, fix complex problems, and lead a team well. I am good at managing my time and making smart decisions under pressure. I want to keep learning and help your company grow so we can compete globally. You can reach me through my phone number and my email. Thank you for your time and I hope to meet you soon.